Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Develop with Eclipse. Today I want to show you how you can easily export an arbitrary Eclipse project into a zip file for distribution or for just importing into another workspace. So in general, exporting Eclipse projects is fairly easy. You just go right-click to the project and say export, and then below the general category you find an option called archive file. If you hit next, you find this wizard dialog which allows you to export the project into a zip or actually tar file. So up above here you can select what you want to export. On the left you see the project structure, and on the right you see the files of the currently selected elements. So in the root there's the class path and projects file, which I definitely want to export if I want to import this project into another Eclipse. I also want to export the Eclipse settings here. I'm not going to export the compiled class files because if I re-import into Eclipse, it will build the project anyways, so I see no sense in exporting the bin directory. But I want to, of course, export the source directory because there's all my files of the project in here. Okay, then I want to select a destination. Somehow it already pre-selected it, maybe because I had a dry run. Be aware that you have to specify an absolute path somehow, at least on OS X. I tried it before with a relative path and it just didn't create any export file, so specify an absolute path here. And then below you can choose between zip and tar files. You can choose if you want to compress the contents of the file or not. And then there are some options regarding the directory structure, whether you want to create the full structure or only selected parts of it. I usually go with exporting the full thing if I want to re-import into Eclipse, because then I export exactly what I have, and if I re-import, I get exactly what I had before. Okay, that's already it. I hit finish, Eclipse runs the export, and if I switch over to the console, I see that the .game-project zip was created, a zip file which actually contains exactly all the files in the project. Okay, I hope you could take something from this, and I hope to see you next time.